do you see that we have a call for service from the alarm company? Are you the owner of the business?
I'm the manager. I was like on the cameras, and I got a description of the person, so I was just going to give you guys that. It looks like a late teens to mid-20s Hispanic male, long enough hair that I can see it, not buzz cut. He has I can't tell if it's camo, but it's a print sweatsuit on.
There's about 20 exotic birds, a couple bunnies, and a couple dogs running around the parking lot right now.
All right, 9190, 9191. You guys start that way on a 50.
Come here. You're okay. Come here. Come here. You're okay. Come here.
9190, I got it.
Come here, buddy. You're okay. Here's your brother, sister, whatever it is. You guys are siblings. Well, those puppies are in cages, so he had to have been in the back messing with it.
Yeah, that's why I sent Adam out back.
Okay.
Who's the most nimble? The youngest.
That'd be Ramirez.
Poor little bunny's just let me back in my house.
You're fucked up.
I don't think I'm the most nimble, but probably the smallest.
We'll go by age.
Yeah.
So if you can get wherever you want, makes most amount of sense. Grab a corner or something, just watch that top as you go in.
Just knock that glass down.
Say, we got
Boom.
There
Nice.
glass on two of them.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, there's two of them that are busted. How do they even get back here though? Because there's no.
I don't think you went back.
Bust it open and they come out here.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, I don't even see any keys.
Yeah. Maybe it's like.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. That's what it is.
These aren't cheap dolls.
Yeah, well, there's some balance here. We get any of the birds?
I don't think so.
Okay, and I can get a hold of the holder in ETA in 20 minutes or anything later. He's going to pass it on.
Marty, we're going to start trying to catch all these exotic birds.
I've never catch them.
I'm not a bird guy. I have no idea what to do.
You got blood all over you, buddy. Come on. I don't know if you're gonna bite or what. You never catch the bird.
Exactly. Exactly. I heard the one. Stop touching the bird.
Yeah, I'm hitting it by his head.
Here, you.
Go in there, fly away.
You can see the motherfucker bit me hard. Sure did. Alright, so the question is
So he came out, because he's leaking pretty good in there. Did he hit up there? Well, he had to have hit up Roosters, because that's how the rock got bloody. And we never got an alarm from here, right?
Right.
So he hit this place first, then hit Roosters, because that's where the rock came from.
Yeah, but he's bleeding a lot more here.
But he could have wrapped it up.
911, what is the location of the emergency?
I'm by the Big Lots that's next to the Planet Fitness by the Silver Horn Center on Roberts Road.
What's going on there?
So have you heard about the guy who broke into Petland?
Yes.
I'm looking right at him. He's asleep on a bench. He's in the leopard print.
I'll glove up.
You got gloves?
I'm getting it. Mr. Pancake, you're under arrest.
Don't move.
Get on your belly. Get on your fucking belly.
What the hell's going on?
Get on your belly. On your belly.
Roll over. Get on your belly, Mr. Pancake.
On your belly.
In the name of the law, Pancake, get on your belly. What is going on? I got one hand. Kidding me? What the fuck? Give up your other hand.
Where's the other hand? Other hand right here.
They wanted to got you.
There's a lot of blood.
Yeah.
Good, have a medic on the plane.
Okay, I'll have medic start that way.
Well, any day's work, boys.
Good job, Mr. Pancakes.
Knew we'd find him eventually.
Where are the gerbils?
Where are the gerbils? In case nobody mentioned it already, you're under arrest. I think we did like 7 times.
Oh,
Go ahead and roll them on side.
You got clothes on under this? There's the pink slash white.
He said he was taking them for arson.
Oh, there's something in this.
yeah, when am I even arrested for this bullshit? I was literally just walking around.
Okay.
What happened to your hand?
My hands are been. I've been working all day. I've been walking around for days.
Here you go ahead.
There's a bunch of
Mikey driving here to
stuff up
5439.
here.
You guys ran me a pipe for Jesus Christ.
5439 Roberts Road, I copy. And is it okay for the medics to go in? I told him it was.
Yep, we haven't got that.
A bunch of glass in his pants.
Huh?
Is it glass?
Glass.
Yeah.
There's a dog collar. Oh, somebody actually flip it for me.
What the hell am I under arrest for? Seriously.
Breaking and entering. Theft. The
They're more
fuck?
damaging.
Oh, God, there is a gerbil.
Animals, oh, they're gerbils. Yeah, definitely animal abuse.
What the heck? I got a gerbil.
What the heck?
There's multiple gerbils in his pants.
Is everything okay?
Covered.
Okay.
We're just advising that our suspect has multiple gerbils in his hands.
Okay.
Somebody get my shears.
Do you have any more pets?
Do you have any more gerbils on you?
Please don't tell me you put a gerbil somewhere else.
Grab my shears.
For
I'll
your
cut up
safety,
further
is there a
on that.
gerbil inside you?
Grab my shears and cut further up that pant leg. And probably this one because there's there too.
I don't do rats. Mice, I don't think.
It's not a rat, it's a gerbil.
It's a gerbil. How many gerbils guys you on Sarge?
Breaking and entering.
We've told you multiple
You have
times.
blood all over you, and you have merchandise
And
that you
glass.
stole.
And gerbils.
And gerbils that you stole and abused too.
Cody, you know what you gotta do.
What are you going to do with them?